In the heart of German folklore, nestled within the charming alleys of Cologne, lies a tale that captures the imagination with its whimsical nature: the legend of the Heinzelma. This enduring narrative brings to life a world of nocturnal magic, tiny house gnomes, and the delightful notion that work can be done while the world sleeps. The story transports us to the medieval city of Cologne, where, as the legend goes, the citizens enjoyed the unique privilege of having their household chores mysteriously completed overnight. This enchanting phenomenon was attributed to the Heinzelma, small and industrious creatures with a penchant for mischief and a knack for cleanliness. According to the legend, the Heinzelma would emerge under the cover of darkness to perform a variety of tasks. They would sweep the floors, scrub pots and pans, and mend clothing. Their diligent efforts would leave homes immaculate by the time the sun rose. However, these tiny house gnomes were not without their quirks. They were known to play pranks and tricks on anyone who attempted to catch a glimpse of them. One fateful night, a curious tailor decided to unveil the secret of the Heinzelma. He left out a thimble and needle, hoping to lure them into revealing themselves. But as he waited, he was met with an unexpected surprise. The Heinzelma, sensing his intention, vanished forever, leaving behind a note that translated to, "You are not the right tailor, therefore the work must remain unfinished. Farewell, but look for us no more." The legend of the Heinzelma is a delightful blend of magic, mystery, and mischief. It embodies the human fascination with the unseen and the joy of attributing daily wonders to the fantastic. The tale also carries a moral message about the danger of overstepping boundaries and the consequences of seeking to reveal the secrets of the mystical. Throughout the years, the legend of the Heinzelma has sparked the imagination of countless generations. Its playful narrative has inspired poems, songs, and visual depictions that capture the whimsy of these tiny household helpers. Today, it stands as a cherished piece of folklore that continues to remind us of the enchantment that can be found in even the most ordinary aspects of life. In conclusion, the legend of the Heinzelma invites us to embrace the magic of the unseen and to find the joy in everyday wonders that surround us. It serves as a reminder that there is room for whimsy and imagination in our lives, and that sometimes the most extraordinary tales are born from the simplest of moments.